Hey, man, we got a club car here, the Club Car Onward. And the problem we're having is the customer said they went out there to move it, drove it the day before, went out there to drive it, and now it don't run. So we're gonna see exactly what's going on. The first thing we always do is test battery voltage. And like I said, I say this every video, man, because some of y'all might not be your first video you watch. I don't care if this is if you just put the battery in, man. Also, if you can't get your golf cart fixed, man, and you want to reach out to me at 843-595-1611, there is a $35 fee, and we'll get your golf cart running. Where else can you go to get your golf cart fixed for $35? All right. So what we're going to do, put the black on a negative, V with a straight line, red on the positive. You can see we have battery voltage. Now, don't just assume you have battery voltage there. Make sure you hit the gas, put it under load. We're gonna put it in maintenance, put it in neutral, hit the gas. Now I'm hitting the gas, nothing's happening, nothing. Now when I turn the key on, the fuel pump's not working, there's nothing coming on. Like I have a loss of power somewhere. So what I'm gonna do is start checking all my fuses. My main fuse is right here, and you have your other small fuses here. You can see there you have your fuses. Now, of course, you can look at them and see what's bad. What you want to do now, you want to put your black lead on the main negative, right here. Now touch your main positive again to make sure that your voltmeter's reading correct. And you can see I have battery voltage. I got 0.1. I'm on AC, but I'm on DC. There it goes. All right, then I'm gonna touch my fuse here. I'm gonna touch the top of my fuse in a little hole there. Have 12 volts on that side, and what should happen there, I should have 12 volts over here. Man, every time I try to make a video, man, it's always something simple. And you can see I have battery voltage there, but on this side of it, I have no battery voltage. So that tells me that fuse is bad, 'cause watch this. You're gonna have nothing there, because all right, there you go, that one there, and voltage there. So that fuse checks good. So what I'm gonna do, man, I'm gonna make this video here. This is gonna be my 10,000 subscriber drawing. And you can see, so what I'm gonna do is, look, yeah, you can see the fuses popped. But this is gonna be my 10,000 subscriber drawing. No number picking. All you have to do is say, comment below, hey. Make sure you're subscribed. Also hit that like button, and I'll pull up each one, and whoever does the three above, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment, hey, you're entered in the drawing. Now this is my 10,000 subscriber drawing. I'll do another one at 11,000. All right. And that's just my appreciation, man, to all y'all subscribers and viewers, for everybody. Now I turn the key up, I put the fuse in there. Look at that, it runs now. I tell you, man, anytime I try to do a video, it's always something simple anymore. But like I said, man, 10,000 subscriber, comment, hey, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Always remember one thing, man. Hey, watch another video. 843-595-1611, $35, get your golf cart fixed. Stay tuned, man, I'll post more.